Hi everyone, my name is Ivan and thank you so much for joining my channel. In today's video we're going to look in details on these crazy things which now are in the crypto market. But before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be used as financial advice. It's just my own opinion. And let's get started with the weekly time frame. And what we can see on the weekly time frame, we can see this huge downside impulse which have not been corrected yet. And I suppose that we will see this correction to this impulse very soon. We have to see some bounce because there is too much drop, too much red candle, consecutive red candles in a row. I have never seen such situation even. We have seen only this one green candle, but it was not a fully green candle. I think it could be interpreted as a doji, and now I suppose that we have to see this correction, and I'm going to explain why. To be honest, I didn't wait the Bitcoin at too much lower prices, such as $21,000, or even it was $20,000 today. But it's happening right now, and everybody in the market now are scared. I saw a lot of comment that they are waiting for the $15,000, $10,000, $5,000 or even $1,000, guys. And I suppose that this is the best time to buy Bitcoin. I don't think that it is a bear market end, but we can see the bounce. The bounce from here is really probable. Earlier I thought that Bitcoin could follow two potential scenarios when we traded right here, and the first one scenario, it was that the price will pump to the $35,000 or $38,000, and after that drop, or we will see the drop right now. And in case we will see a drop right now, I suppose that the bounce will be even more than in case of the bounce from these prices. And now I suppose that we can see the bounce something like this to at least $36,000, and I can explain you why. Now everybody are scared. Let me download. Okay, it's the market now is an extreme fear. It's 7, guys, 7. I have never seen such values. Okay, it was 5. I checked the history. And it was 5. I can show you this point where the fear and greed index, was 5, and it was right here. And I understand why the fear and greed index was 5 exactly here, because we saw this downside impulse, and the price corrected to 0.618, and it looks like that it continued its downtrend. And I suppose that most of investors, even the clever investors, clever traders, expected the further decrease below this low, maybe to $1,000, but it was the first wave of the new bull cycle. And what we can see right now, the fear and greed index is almost the same like there, and I suppose that this situation is very similar. Now nobody believe in the growth, because when I post my article on the TradingView, I saw a lot of hate to me, because I still believe that we will see the bounce. And you know, when the analysis was invalidated, I closed my position right here. When the price broke this trend line, I closed my position, and I invalidate this scenario with the $35,000. And I posted in TradingView that I'm waiting for the prices below $26,000 to buy Bitcoin, but I didn't think that we will see such huge dump. And if we can see on the MACD chart, one second, MACD chart, what we can see right here, we can still expect the divergence with the MACD line, but the divergence with the MACD histogram now could be broken next days. But if we will see the candle close of today's day above the open, it will, if this current candle will be green, I suppose that this divergence will play out and it will be formed, will be confirmed, and in this case the divergence on the weekly time frame will be also confirmed. I will show you. I have shown you it multiple times, but I will show you again this situation. If we will see the first increase in column right here, it will be the confirmation of the divergence on the weekly time frame, and if we'll see the confirmation divergence on the daily time frame, it will lead to the confirmation divergence on the weekly time frame with 90% probability. I like this situation when the divergence on the smaller time frame will lead to the divergence on the higher time frame. And if we take a look at the 1 hourly chart, I'm looking at this chart carefully today because I wanted to see this price reversal model. It's my favorite price reversal model, guys, because here we can see the divergence on the 1 hourly chart. It was confirmed on this candle, and also it was enhanced by the divergence with MACD lines. Also we have this support level which have been broken to the downside, but the price immediately goes up, and this breakdown was the fake breakdown. And if we will switch to the 4 hourly time frame, we can see the candle which I have been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting this type of candle. This is bullish hammer with the rather big body candle body on the relatively high volume. It means that the price have been stopped right here. The drop have been stopped, and here was the first huge purchases. Because here I was not sure that this candle can stop this downtrend, but now I'm sure, because I saw my favorite reversal pattern when the downtrend is strong. After that we see the bounce, the new lower low, and after that we form this divergence with the higher low on the MACD and lower also on the price on the huge volume, and this green candle on at the bottom of this movement is the nice confirmation for me. So this divergence can lead to the divergence on the daily time frame, which will lead to the divergence on the weekly time frame. The MACD histogram crossed the zero line, and it means that the potential bullish divergence, true bullish divergence on the MACD can be formed very soon. So maybe we will see another one dump, another one leg down, which will form the terminal triangle, terminal diagonal triangle, and after that this formation usually reverse the trend, guys. I think it will be the reversal pattern. I also want to show you the central pivot range indicator by the commodity chunker. We can see that the price found rejection, guys, rejection exactly from central pivot range twice, and after that it falls to the S1 line. It broke this line with no difficulties, and now it's close to S2 line, and we can see another one like down to this red line. It's approximately $19,500. It will be the extremely nice entry point for the long position if we will catch this line, but the price could not go to this level. It could grow from the current prices. You know, I bought Bitcoin at the average price of $22,300 right here. I bought it yesterday, too early, I suppose. Yes, because I did not wait for the confirmation of the reversal, but I decided to buy to average my position if the price will go down, and if we will see another one like down to the $19,000, $19,500, I will buy more Bitcoins, and the Bitcoin, the percent of my deposit in the Bitcoins will be 40%, guys. And what targets I expect to see? The first target, I suppose, could be the S1 line. It's about $25,500, but I think that we need to use the Fibonacci retracement for the weekly impulse, for the impulse to the for the downside impulse on the weekly time frame, because if all these divergences will play out, we will definitely see the correction, the true correction for this impulse. I can set the very conservative target of 0.38 Fibonacci level. If we will reach it, it's approximately $30,000. It will be very logical if we will break this zone. And here a lot of traders will believe that the bear market ended right here, and they will buy Bitcoins, and only after that the market maker will give us another one dump below $20,000, and here will be the true capitulation. And all my position which I executed right here in this zone, I will close at this zone next to the $30,000. So the final target of this bear market now for me, it's approximately at the 13, maybe $10,000 could be the end, but we will see it later when the market show us its intention. Now I'm in long position. You know, I closed it at $29,000 in the zero loss to buy below $26,000. I bought this position below. I bought Bitcoin below $26,000. It was approximately at $22,000, and now I'm waiting for the pump, guys, for the bounce. I want to take this bounce because it could be approximately 40%. It's really nice on the bear market to earn 40% in long trade. I hope everything will be nice with the Bitcoin. I hope you are not scared right now, because when everybody is scared, it's the best time to buy Bitcoin. Please subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, support me with your likes and comments. Thank you for attention, and goodbye.